Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to install Shein application on Android. So if you want to install the Shein application, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is open the Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Shein, search for it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Shein and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find more about this application. Likewise, you'll be able to see the ratings and reviews over here. So if you want to install it, tap on the install option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a while. Now after a while, you can see over here the Shein application will be installed and you can simply open it and start using. So like this, you'll be able to install it. So that is how you install Shein application on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.